My name's Devyn Clark. I'm 31 years old, native of Salina, and I'm here for the electrical program at Salina Tech. Started out of high school, went to university. Didn't work out for me there, so went back to working, unskilled jobs, back to school, back to work, back to school. Didn't really want to finish anything out, and this time I landed here, and I've been pretty happy with it. I knew a little bit about wiring. My grandfather had done some mechanical work, electrical work. I like to watch a lot of handymen that worked on our house when I was younger, but otherwise very, very little. Got people in there that have done nothing with electrical, like myself. Some of them have done, I believe, some home repair work or work with family businesses. Age-wise, I'm the oldest. Some of them are 17, 18 years old when they started. It's kind of fun because everyone in there, regardless of age, gets along. What we've learned, we got Greg, great dude, 60-some years of experience. Fantastic guy, loves sharing war stories, loves sharing the little secrets and shortcuts that you'd never think of. In here was definitely a good start. Some of it was kind of strange to work with because it was done by previous years or whatever. But really getting out in the field and, for example, the Morton buildings and the Habitat house that we did, that was really cool just because you don't have these previously drilled holes to work with. You have to think more ahead while still getting the job done in a timely manner and clean. And again, that's a huge help of having Greg, quick ways to do it, efficient. Coolest thing I've learned, I think it's probably service installation, like putting in the main stuff coming from the power lines to the house. Got to work with Greg directly on that with the recent house that we did, and there's a lot more to it than I would have thought, but it's doable now. I think that's the coolest part of it. Putting together like a simple light switch and stuff, it made it seem really simple here, but getting out in the field and having done like the lighting in some of the houses we've done, being able to flip the switch and get 6 lights to work, and getting 3 4-way switches to work, and putting in that big service. You flip that switch and you're like, we've got power to a house. Well, we've done our job, we've done it well. We've actually already got students that are employed. We've got people already putting out feelers for jobs. A few of them are going to be employed as soon as they move back home. It's rapid.